Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take AI. Today in this video, let's learn about how to change hair color on Picsart. So let's get started. For that, let's get into Picsart app first. And you need to choose a picture you want to change the hair color. We can see the hair color right now. And what we need to do is click on retouch option over here. After this, we won't be able to see this portion since it cannot be screenshot or screen recorded. But what we'll be able to see is hair color option over here in the button. Simply tap on that and change the hair color as per your choice. Once you're done, simply click on download option over here. We'll be able to see on the top right, and the picture is saved to our gallery. So let's get into gallery to view it. So over here we can see the hair color is changed. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.